Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. It's Michelle. Let's talk about it. Today we are going to be looking at a new product that's been launched. It's called Bonusify. Okay, what this product does is it creates irresistible bonus pages that will boost your sales, conversion rate, and customers in minutes. Okay, so big claim. This is a sales page. We're just going to take a quick look at it to see what it's all about. We have our testimonials going right there, and this is what they offer. 3 templates that come with the package. Really nice looking templates for your bonus pages. What else? This is what I find interesting. They did a test with bonuses and without bonuses. In the first test that they ran, it was a product from Plus, which of course is a platform where they have a lot of products being launched daily. The product was launched without bonuses. The result was very low. Bad promotion. The EPC, earnings per click, not so great, and resulted in 1 sale. Then they did a test with Bonusify. They used the Bonusify platform, which created great, fast, irresistible bonus pages with value bonuses. And the result was amazing. It resulted in 25% conversion rate, 97 sales, and over $1,500 in profits. So that sounds good, very impressive. On the sales page, they have a case study about the product. We're just going to go through quickly, and then I want to tell you what else the product offers. They've got a lot of features. It's just amazing. Instant secure bonus and download pages, 3 premium templates, advanced live statistics, analytics, easy and friendly dashboard, lead generation system. With the GDPR, that's automatic. Social media share system, unlimited pages. Of course, this is key. No experience needed, no skills needed. That is a good selling point. And of course, they have fast action bonuses, free hosting, lifetime, unlimited subdomains, 5 high quality bonuses that you have forever, and of course, free SSL certification. People coming to your website, they want to know that their information is secure, so this is a very good thing. So that's a big plus. What else? It's compatible with marketplaces like Warrior Plus, JBZoo, ClickBank, which carry a lot of other affiliate products. So that's also good to know. Sorry. And what's so different about Bonusify? Well, they have a revolutionary AIT, which is the artificial intelligence technology, which helps you create irresistible bonus pages faster and easier. Of course, what their selling point here is that most bonus builders take too much time and money to edit the graphics and the page with Photoshop and Illustrator, and afterwards to manually add each element. That will shave off a lot of time. Of course, there's a demo on the sales page, which you can go check it out. Shows you how it works. We have a bunch of testimonials and all that other stuff that you can read. We don't have to go through this. Oh, I wanted to point out to you though, they have some really powerful features. The dashboard is easy to navigate. We're going to take a look in a little bit. The design, the AIT, social share. Okay, we're good. It's got a ton of features. Who is it for? Newbies, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, list building, entrepreneurs, product creators, bloggers, YouTubers, reviewers. It's very versatile. The product is going to be launched on the 11th of December, 10 a.m. and the price is going to be $27 if you use the bonus code 20. Once the product has launched, it's going to be $47 for the product. Okay, so let's go head over to the dashboard, the inside, and see how it goes. Of course, I've been playing around with it to really get the feel of it. It's quite simple. Here it shows you how to add, wait one second, let me push this over a little bit. Building your new page. Here, managing your bonus pages, storing your bonus files, and your subscribers, your account information. Now let's go take a look at my book. Well, before I show, let me show you what I created. This is the bonus page that I created using Bonusify. I was able to embed a video, which is very nice because videos are the way of the world these days. Everything is going viral. I only needed to add this, which you will see in the video. And of course, I was able to add my bonuses. Doesn't it look pretty? I think so. And of course, there's the timer showing you, how much time you have left before you're able, to use the bonuses. Now, this is the other one. Once your customer has purchased the product, after showing the bonuses, it automatically sends a thank you, and then it tells you where to download your bonuses. Under each bonus, it gives you access to the bonus, which is really neat. And also tells you what your savings are. Now let's go back to the dashboard. So we are going to take a look at my bonus pages. Here in the back, you can see manage, the title of the page, the product name, the URL where you can find the bonuses, the views that you're getting. That means every time somebody looks at your page, you're able to see it's live analytics that you can actually see what's going on, and of course the date created. So let's just take a look. Now here it has the pages that I have created so far. I've only done 2 really. And it tells you automatically the views, downloads, everything. Now here is where you have, well, as you can see right here, you can see I have my bonus files. All you have to do is you can preview it, remove it, whatever you choose. Now under this tab you have statistics. It tells you the last 30 tracked clicks and where they're coming from. The country, the IP, the device, the browser. I'm going to see. Settings. In settings, you're able to add the title of your page, the product name, your link, and of course your description, keywords, and your headers, whatever you want to put on your page. Styling is where you will find the 3 premium templates that come with the product. So you get to choose which one. All you have to do is just look. It scrolls automatically when you touch it, and you choose. You can, try any of them and see what fits best with your taste. Viral traffic. This is where you can tweet your bonus pages or whatever it is. You can just connect yourself, your link, and do what you need to do. And of course, if you go pro, the features. Now here Right here, this is where I was able to create it. I'm going to show you this little bit right here. Right here. These are the features, and this is where you add them. Now, the only thing I didn't like about the software is you cannot edit in the on the dashboard itself. Once you have created something and you've looked at it, you don't like it, you have to remove it. You can't, let's say, if you made a grammatical error right here, you'd have to re-add it once again instead of editing something that you've already created. So the modules are the status, the consent bar, the timer, push through, and these are things that are pro. You know, if you're doing a bonus page and you want to add a testimonial, this is where you put it. So these are the pro options: the modules, the testimonials, and the features and the custom settings. Pro is a good way to go. All in all, I think the sales page says just about everything, and also I will leave below a link where I did a full review on the product, where you can see the pros and cons and what I found that I liked and did not like about the product. It's a great product, and check it out. It's worth it, and I will leave all the necessary links down in the description box. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and let me hear what you think. And please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.